AI in 2025, the tools you actually need to know. So AI, it's everywhere, right? Every other headline, every new app, it feels like AI-powered is the new organic. But cutting through that noise to find what's genuinely useful, what's actually going to change how you work or create, that's the real challenge. And that's exactly what we're diving into today. Welcome to our course on the best AI tools you need to know about. We're not just listing names, we're looking at the practical impact, the real-world applications, and why these specific tools are making waves as we head towards 2025. This isn't about hype, it's about utility. Over the next few minutes, we're going to break down some seriously powerful AI that's accessible, and in many cases, already reshaping industries. Think of this as your curated guide to the AI landscape, focusing on the tools that offer tangible benefits. Whether you're a creative, a developer, a business professional, or just someone curious about where this tech is taking us. In this video, we'll cover the top AI tools for text, image, video, and more. We'll explore what makes each one special, and how you might integrate them into your own workflows. My goal here is to give you a clear, straightforward look at what I believe are the standout AI tools that are not just promising, but are delivering results right now and are poised to become even more integral. We'll look at their core functionalities, some cool use cases, and try to understand their place in the bigger picture of artificial intelligence. By the end, you should have a solid understanding of these key players and maybe even a few ideas for how you can start leveraging their power. Alright, enough preamble, let's get into it. ChatGPT, more than just a chatbot, the text generation powerhouse. Alright, first up, let's talk about ChatGPT, and look, I know you've probably heard a lot about ChatGPT. It's been the poster child for this new wave of generative AI, and for good reason. Developed by OpenAI, this thing is a state-of-the-art language model that has fundamentally changed how we think about AI-generated text. It's not just about asking it silly questions or getting it to write a poem in the style of Shakespeare, though it can do that surprisingly well. The real power lies in its ability to understand context, generate coherent and nuanced human-like text, and adapt to a huge range of tasks. It's like having a super intelligent writing assistant on call 24/7, ready to draft emails, summarize long documents, or even help you brainstorm creative ideas. The underlying technology, a type of large language model or LLM, has been trained on an absolutely massive data set of text and code. This allows it to predict the next word in a sequence with incredible accuracy, leading to outputs that often feel indistinguishable from something a human would write. For content creators, this is a game changer. Imagine needing to generate blog post outlines, social media captions, or product descriptions. ChatGPT can provide a solid first draft in seconds, saving hours of work. For developers, its ability to understand and generate code in various programming languages is also a massive unlock, helping with debugging, writing boilerplate code, or even explaining complex code snippets in plain English. It's this versatility that makes it so compelling. But it's not just about raw text generation. The chat aspect is key. Its conversational interface makes it incredibly accessible. You don't need to be a programmer to use it effectively. You can refine its outputs through simple prompts, ask for revisions, or guide it towards a specific tone or style. This iterative process is where the magic happens. From building sophisticated chatbots that can handle customer service inquiries with surprising competence, to helping researchers analyze qualitative data, to simply being a tool for overcoming writer's block, ChatGPT's applications are broad and continually expanding. It's definitely a foundational AI tool you need to be familiar with as we move forward. DALL-E Visualizing Ideas AI that paints with your words. Next on the list is another heavy hitter from OpenAI, DALL-E. If ChatGPT is about manipulating and generating text, DALL-E is its visual counterpart, and honestly, some of the stuff it can create is just mind-blowing. The core idea is deceptively simple. You provide a textual description, a prompt, and DALL-E generates an image based on that description. But the complexity and creativity it can achieve are on another level. We're talking about everything from photorealistic images that look like they were taken with a high-end camera, to fantastical illustrations, three-dimensional renders, and even images in the style of famous artists. It's a direct line from your imagination to a visual output. For artists, designers, and content creators, this opens up a whole new realm of possibilities. Need a unique illustration for an article, but don't have the budget for a custom commission or the time to create it yourself? DALL-E can generate multiple options in minutes. Want to visualize a complex concept for a presentation? Describe it, and DALL-E can help bring it to life. It's incredibly powerful for rapid prototyping of visual ideas, allowing you to iterate quickly and explore different aesthetics without needing advanced artistic skills. The level of detail it can understand and render from a prompt, like a synthwave sunset over a futuristic city with a cat wearing sunglasses in the foreground, digital art, is consistently impressive. Of course, like any powerful tool, it comes with its own set of considerations regarding ethics, copyright, and the potential for misuse. But focusing on its capabilities as a creative aid, DALL-E is democratizing image creation in a significant way. It's not necessarily about replacing human artists, but rather augmenting their abilities and providing a new tool for expression. For marketers needing quick, unique visuals for campaigns, or even for individuals just wanting to create fun, personalized images, DALL-E offers a glimpse into a future where visual content generation is far more accessible and versatile. It's a tool that encourages experimentation and can genuinely surprise you with what it comes up with. Synthesia, AI avatars that talk your scalable video studio. Alright, let's shift gears from static images to moving pictures and specifically to AI-generated video with Synthesia. This platform is pretty fascinating because it tackles one of the more resource-intensive aspects of content creation video production, especially when it involves on-screen talent. Synthesia allows you to create videos featuring realistic AI avatars that speak text you provide. Think about that. You can type a script, choose an avatar, select a voice and language, and generate a professional-looking video without ever stepping in front of a camera or hiring actors. This is a big deal for corporate training, product explainers, and localized content. The core technology involves creating digital representations of real actors, and then using AI to animate their lip movements and facial expressions to match any given script in a multitude of languages. The quality of these avatars has been steadily improving, becoming more natural and less uncanny valley over time. For businesses looking to create consistent training materials for a global workforce, this is incredibly efficient. You can create one core video and then easily generate versions in dozens of languages complete with localized voice and an avatar that feels appropriate. The scalability here is a key advantage, dramatically reducing the time and cost associated with traditional video shoots. Now, it's not going to replace a charismatic human presenter for every scenario, but for informational content, tutorials, or internal communications, Synthesia offers a compelling alternative. The platform typically provides a library of stock avatars, or for larger enterprises, there's often the option to create a custom avatar of a specific person. Imagine being able to update a safety training video with new information simply by editing a text script and re-rendering without needing to schedule a new shoot. It streamlines the process, makes video content more accessible to create, and allows for rapid iteration and updates, which is crucial in fast-moving environments. It's a very practical application of AI in the video space. Chapter 4: Descript revolutionizing audio and video editing with AI transcription. So, we've covered text, images, and AI video generation. Now let's talk about a tool that's changing the game for anyone who works with audio or video post-production. Descript. What makes Descript so powerful is its AI-driven approach to editing. At its core, it transcribes your audio and video content with impressive accuracy. And then, this is the cool part. It allows you to edit the audio or video by simply editing the text transcript. Think about that. You can delete a word or phrase from the transcript, and Descript will automatically cut that corresponding section from the audio or video file. It's like editing a Word document, but for media. This fundamentally lowers the barrier to entry for audio and video editing. If you've ever been intimidated by complex timelines and traditional editing software, Descript offers a much more intuitive workflow. For podcasters, this is huge. You can easily remove filler words like and with a single click, tighten up interviews by deleting irrelevant sections of text, and even correct mistakes using their overdub feature, which lets you type words and have them spoken in your own AI-cloned voice with proper consent and setup, of course. It streamlines the entire editing process, making it faster and more accessible. But Descript isn't just about audio. It's an all-in-one tool that also handles video editing, screen recording, and even has features for multi-track podcast production. The AI also powers features like automatic silence removal, speaker detection, and the ability to export transcripts for subtitles or show notes. For video creators, being able to quickly generate accurate subtitles or to edit a talking head video by manipulating text is a massive time saver. It's one of those tools that, once you start using it, you wonder how you ever managed without it. It really rethinks the editing paradigm from the ground up, leveraging AI to make the process smarter and more efficient. Chapter 5. Tableau: Unlocking Data Insights with AI-Powered Visualization. Alright, let's pivot to something a bit different but critically important in today's world: data. And when it comes to making sense of complex data sets, Tableau is a name that consistently comes up, especially with its increasing integration of AI capabilities. Tableau is fundamentally a data visualization tool, but it's much more than just pretty charts. It uses AI and machine learning to help you explore, understand, and present your data in ways that can reveal hidden patterns, trends, and insights that might otherwise be missed. For data analysts, business intelligence professionals, or anyone who needs to make data-driven decisions, this is essential. The AI in Tableau works in several ways. For instance, its Ask Data feature allows you to query your data using natural language. You can literally type a question like, "What were the total sales by region last quarter?" And Tableau will attempt to generate the appropriate visualization. This makes data exploration more accessible to users who aren't necessarily experts in data query languages. Furthermore, AI algorithms can help with things like automatic clustering of data points, forecasting future trends based on historical data, and identifying anomalies or outliers that might warrant further investigation. It's about augmenting human analytical capabilities, not replacing them. The real power here is in enabling users to interact with their data more dynamically and intuitively. Instead of just static reports, Tableau allows for the creation of interactive dashboards where users can drill down into specifics, filter information, and see how different variables relate to each other. The AI components help guide this exploration, suggesting relevant visualizations or highlighting statistically significant findings. In a business context, this means faster, more informed decision-making, whether it's understanding customer behavior, optimizing supply chains, or tracking performance metrics. It's a tool that empowers people to find the story within their data, and AI is making that process smarter and more efficient. Chapter 6. IBM Watson, the enterprise-grade AI toolkit for serious business. Finally, let's talk about a platform that's more of an AI ecosystem than a single-purpose tool: IBM Watson. You've probably heard the name Watson perhaps from its famous Jeopardy win years ago. But today, IBM Watson represents a broad suite of AI services and tools designed primarily for enterprise-level applications. It's a versatile AI platform that offers capabilities ranging from sophisticated natural language processing and understanding to machine learning model development, visual recognition, and AI-powered decision management. It's the kind of heavy-duty AI that businesses look to when they want to integrate artificial intelligence deep into their core operations. What makes Watson stand out is its focus on providing building blocks for businesses to create custom AI solutions. For example, Watson Discovery can ingest and understand vast amounts of unstructured data, like customer reviews, research papers, or internal documents, and extract valuable insights. Watson Assistant is used to build advanced conversational AI interfaces, powering sophisticated chatbots and virtual agents for customer service or internal help desks. And their machine learning services allow data scientists to build, train, and deploy custom predictive models tailored to specific business challenges, like fraud detection or demand forecasting. It's really about providing a robust, scalable, and secure environment for AI development. While it might not be a tool you download and use casually like some of the others we've discussed, understanding what platforms like Watson offer is crucial for grasping the broader impact of AI in the business world. It's designed for complex problem solving and often requires a team of developers and data scientists to leverage fully. From healthcare, where it's used for analyzing medical data, to finance, for risk management, and manufacturing, for process optimization, Watson provides the underlying AI infrastructure and services that enable organizations to innovate and transform their operations. It's a great, all-around AI platform for businesses serious about leveraging AI strategically. So there you have it, a look at some of the top AI tools that I think are genuinely shaping the landscape as we head into 2025. From crafting compelling text with ChatGPT, to conjuring incredible visuals with DALL-E, producing scalable videos with Synthesia, streamlining audio workflows with Descript, uncovering data insights with Tableau, and leveraging enterprise-grade AI with IBM Watson, the power and potential are pretty undeniable. Each of these tools offers a unique way to augment human capability, automate tedious tasks, or unlock new creative and analytical possibilities. The world of AI is moving incredibly fast and it can feel overwhelming to keep up. But hopefully, this overview has given you a clearer picture of some key players and what they bring to the table. The best way to truly understand these tools, though, is to try them out yourself where possible. Many offer free trials or accessible entry points. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. We're always exploring the cutting edge of technology here. And finally, I'm really curious to hear your thoughts. Which of these AI tools are you most excited to try? Or perhaps, which ones are you already using that are making a big difference for you? Let us know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try. Your insights and experiences are super valuable, and it's always great to see how this tech is being applied in the real world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next one.